tumor, and my father had meningioma. So this happened. So there was. I'll tell you it in a very chronological order. So he had a fever in Feb 6th, and he had a persistent fever. So we thought of going for full body scan, and in that it was incidentally found that he has a brain tumor, and the tumor has grown to 5.6 centimeters. And based on that, it was a very traumatic experience to us, the family members, and to the patient as well. So we tried consulting various doctors. We also had consulted in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Vizag as well. So after consulting everyone, we got to know that T. Suresh sir is one of the best neurosurgeons in Visakhapatnam, or maybe in Andhra Pradesh, to be very precise here. So after everything, we consulted him, and when we asked him whether the surgery is doable or not, he has said that it is very well doable. And seeing his confidence over his expertise had also made us feel confident that the surgery will be doable, and with with less criticalities here. On that, we went ahead and admitted him in the Medicover hospital. So when we admitted him, the doctor was quite friendly. Even being one of the best, we have seen him very humble here, and that made us even feel more friendly and to be very open to him, to even talk about even a minuscule type of things. So as a doctor, he had a very good patience level, I would say, and he was quite listening to whatever the queries and the problems which we were facing, even the trivial situation as such. And then when we admitted him, he used to come for regular checkups. He used to ask the patient whether how is he doing and all, and we were able to respond, and without any hesitance actually. And then because the doctor is such good, so there are usually we don't get slots. That is the not an issue, but that's how the doctor is great here. So when we got a slot here, the doctor advised us that so we are going to do a surgery, and even though because it's a brain surgery, people are usually scared of it, but because seeing the doctor's confidence and all, we were quite I would say not scared enough, because we thought that in his expertise everything would be going good, and also the result has come really well as well. My father is able to talk, speak, and the most of it, the tumor got removed completely. When also, if I take a situation where we went to another doctor, and when we asked the same question there, he said that because the tumor is in a critical place, the tumor is not completely removed. That made us worry a little bit. But when we came to Suresh sir, he has completely removed it. So that shows how good he is with his work. And also, post surgery, he has not got any complication as such. The patient is able to walk, talk freely, and is able to even not have any headaches and all. The fever is also very less, I would say, very layman. And also we also thought of maybe there is a chance for recurrence of short-term memory loss kind of, but thankfully it was not there. So we are very confident that the surgery went well, and the patient is improving drastically, not even gradually. Thank you.
मैं प्रकाश चंद्र मांझी from Bihar's Medicover Hospital, Dr. T. Suresh Saab and Prasad Saab and team पूरा हॉस्पिटल को थैंक यू।
न्यूरो सर्जरी में जब तक पेशेंट को पता लगता है तब तक ब्रेन में बहुत बड़े बड़े साइजेस में ट्यूमर्स बढ़ जाते हैं, और जैसे जैसे ये बढ़ते रहते हैं इनका कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बढ़ जाता है और अलग अलग जगहों पे स्प्रेड हो जाता है। लेकिन मेडिकवर हॉस्पिटल में हमारे एक्सपीरियंस के साथ टेक्नोलॉजी ऐसी जुड़ी हुई है जिसकी वजह से आप कह सकते हो कि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स कॉम्प्लेक्स ट्यूमर्स को जहाँ जहाँ तक ये स्प्रेड हुए हैं उनको कंप्लीटली निकालना और उसके बाद पेशेंट को ज़रूरत के हिसाब से रेडियोथेरेपी और कीमोथेरेपी में गाइड करने के लिए मेडिकवर हॉस्पिटल्स एकदम सुशस्त हैं और हम लोग चाहते हैं कि मैक्सिमम पेशेंट्स यहाँ पर आएँ और इस एकमात्र चीज़ जो जिसमें हम लोग स्पेशलाइज करते हैं उसका बेनिफिट